Alright guys, I got a 2013 Lincoln MKT here. Look at this nasty looking stuff in here. Everywhere, milky. Coolant and engine oil are mixing together. Yeah, gross. It's really gross. Anyway, so open the timing chain cover, and we find out that the water pump shaft is broken. And as you can see, I put water in there and you can see it's dripping. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the water pump in here. And probably the timing chain. And I wanted to ask you guys, what do you guys use to clean milky stuff out of this engine in here? It's just way too much. I'm not sure if it is a good idea to just put a new fresh oil and let it run, or use a bar saw to clean the milky stuff out of the way, or brake clean. Tell me what your thoughts, guys, and hopefully I can use that for this engine here or for the near future. Once again, it's 2013 MKT, sorry, with water pump issue.